Great morning, student. Hope so you are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to discuss our chapter number 6, analyzing data spreadsheet. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the spreadsheet. What is a spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is a combination of row and column. So that is the worksheet. We can enter data in row and column. Now we are going to discuss our topic. Our topic is there we discuss here topic is consolidating data, creating subtotals. Today we are going to discuss two topics. So first topic is our consolidating data. In consolidating data we are going to discuss here consolidating data. Data consolidate provide a graphical interface for copying data from one range of the cell to another, then running one of dozen function on the data. Means consolidate क्या provide करता है? Graphical interface provide करता है. We can copy data फ्रॉम वन रेंज ऑफ द सेल टू अनदर. मतलब एक रेंज को आप दूसरी टेबल में इंसर्ट कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू कैन से दैट देर इज अ if you have the two worksheet, we can combine our data in a next worksheet. So that is a consolidate. During consolidation, the content of the cell from the several sheet can be combined in one place. Means which data you enter, you can combine in a single sheet. Now we are going to discuss that is you can say that consolidating means you can combine data from one or two worksheet in a single worksheet. So this thing we can say. Now we are going to discuss which step we follow to during the consolidate. So first is open the document that contain the cell range to be consolidated. Firstly we can open, where we open the open office. After that we consolidate data. Now firstly choose the data option, consolidate to open the consolidate dialog box. Means when you select the data option from the menu bar, then our option dialog box will be appear. If the source data range listed contain the name range, means if your data you have the list of the item, then name of that particularly objects. So we can select the source range, consolidate with other areas. If the source range is not named, means which content you have and there is a no name, so with the other area. So there is a different types of area we use to consolidate. If the source range is not named, click the field to write and either type the reference of the फर्स्ट सोर्स डाटा. मीन्स आपको उसमें रेफरेंस फर्स्ट सोर्स ऑफ डाटा का जो मेन रेफरेंस है वो आपको प्रोवाइड कराना ही पड़ेगा. वी मे नीड टू मूव द कंसोलिडेट डायलॉग बॉक्स द रिक्वायर्ड सेल्स. क्लिक ऑन ऐड ऑप्शन and select the range. Now appear on the consolidate range list. Firstly if you want to make a list, and after making list, firstly you select the range. Range means which content you want to add, that firstly select of that content. After that click on add option. When you click on add option, then one dialog box will be appear. After that we select the additional range of the click add after each section. After one selection, after that we add the other additional range. Means हमारे पास जो second worksheet है उसकी range को हम select करेंगे. Specify where you want to display the result. Specify where you want to enter your result, then firstly specify. Selecting the target range means which range you want to consolidate. First select the range and copy the result to box. If the target range is not named, click the field next to copy. Select to enter the reference target range or select the range using the name box position. The cursor in the top left cell is targeted range. Okay, now select the function from the function list. You know there is a function. Function means that is a combination of the formulas. Which formula you want to enter on your worksheet, then firstly you select from the that function option. The function specify how the value consolidate range are linked. The sum function is default setting. Most of available function are statically, such as average, mean, max, as divs, and standard deviation you can say. And the tool is most useful when we are working the same data over the and over. Now next is consolidate data. Consolidate data firstly is a first quarter. We read the theoretical points. Now is a practical points, that is the two worksheet. First quarter sale of year 2020, that is our first worksheet, and first quarter sale of year 2021, that is the second worksheet. After that when we make, there is a, you can see here column name are the same, field name are the same, and that is our product list. Okay, and there are the different range, that is the range. So firstly if you want to select that option, then if you want to add, then this select, this list select, and this list select to add to consolidate. Okay, now we make these list in Excel, that is our address box, that is our formula box, and that is our entry of data. Now next is click on the third sheet. Firstly we have made the two listed. Now we want to make a consolidate of data, then we give the name of consolidate data 2020 and 21. Enter the heading and name of the sheet 3. So on the figure of 6.2, in the sheet 3 click on the data menu and select the consolidate option. Consolidate dialog box appear. Here in the function drop down list, select the function. Drop down list में some function available होते हैं, which function you want to apply on your data, then select there. For example, get the sum of the data available of the both worksheet, select the sum function. Now because we are want to make consolidate our data in third sheet, so that is our third sheet. We make this sheet only column name and item name we have discussed here. We select this range and go to data option. Firstly we select this range, after that we going to data option, that is our data option. Then first data we are going to there. In first data option there is a many option available. If we want to select the we are select this cell, then this cell address will be come, means which cell address you want to insert, then that put your cursor there and click there, that this address will be come. Now this is that is a theory part of this table. Click on add option dialog box, select the range of consolidate list. Similarly add the range sheet 2 means firstly we select the first list range, and after that we select the second range using add option and copy the result of 3 sheet. Now that is our consolidate option. When we go in data option and select their consolidate option, this list will be appear, this dialog box will be appear. There is a sum function. Firstly that is a drop down list. There is the option available related to function. We select here sum function. After that we go in first worksheet and select the range of the data which we want to consolidate. First data enter, after that add option, and that is data source range and other worksheet address here, and copy the result of third sheet and click on OK. When you click OK, then your data enter in your third sheet. You can see here that is our third worksheet. We make this third worksheet only heading I will give in before some time, and after that after consolidating, you can see here there is a consolidating option of consolidating means combine the data of 1 and 2 2020 and 21 worksheet, combine here and data is combined. Okay, that is our consolidating. Today we are going to discuss only consolidating data. Consolidate data means combine data in a 2 and more worksheet we can combine in a single worksheet. That is a consolidating. Okay, so hope so you understand all the things. Thanks for watching.